Hey, welcome to the Petersen Auto Museum again.
I wait for someone to save. I want to tell you something new. You drove us both into a wall. I drive away into the night. I contemplate for a while.
Hey, welcome to this edition of Luinator 59. Today we are back at the Petersen Auto Museum for the 8th annual Enzo Ferrari meetup. Now you recognize the name Ferrari, but you may not recognize the name Enzo. That was his first name. He was an Italian car manufacturer and well celebrated because of his racing prowess. All kinds of Ferraris here. Now Enzo started out as a mechanic and driver, and he drove for some of the best. As he was learning his racing chops, he became a very famous race driver, winning many races, but then he became a car manufacturer and he started trying to build the fastest race car in the world, and he did. Now, making the fastest race car consumed Ferrari, and when he would get on the track, he would zone out and just be totally focused on the race, the engine, and how the car was running. Constantly, when you asked Enzo Ferrari what was the best car ever made, he would tell you that it's the one that was still in his mind. In 2017, which was the 70th anniversary of Ferrari, they went back into history, found 70 cars, and made one of each in celebration of the 70th anniversary. So there was 5 models of Ferraris, so that meant 350 cars were made, unique cars. Now you could own your own classic Ferrari too. Between $200,000 and $300,000, you can buy a Ferrari. But to own one of the tailor-made Ferraris, you're going to pay $2 to $3 million. And it's one of those things where Ferrari calls millionaires, and they give them the opportunity to buy the car. You say yes or no. This one looks all ready to get in and drive. I mean, ready for Luinator 59 to drive.
As you can see, we're very privileged to have some amazing cars with us today. We've got a shout out to the F40 on the west side of the parking lot. There's 4 amazing F40s on display. You've got 3 Halo cars on the ramp that belong to Bruce Meyer, his 250 TRC, 61 short wheelbase, and 274 alloy bodies. Along with all the other amazing cars on display today, We want to give you a big thank you for joining us. There's coffee and bagels underneath the overhang.
Well, I know this is going to be a short episode, but it's a good episode. And Ferrari was a very intelligent man and created a very good company and a precisely perfect car, all the way down to every bit. And he won race after race after race. Today, the Ferrari name is still well respected years after his passing. We'll meet up with you on the next Illuminator 5.9. I'm glad you came to us to the Ferrari meetup, and we'll just see where next time leads us. So, until then, you be a good human. If you can't be good, be better. If you can't be better, try harder. I know we all do that, huh? And we all need that reminder. Check out our merchandise shop. All the proceeds go to help make more videos like this for you. We'll see you on the next Illuminator.